Hi, my name is Sian Lewis. I'm the Chief Executive of Urdd Cymru. The Urdd Apprenticeship Programme is a clear example of where we need the census data. The economy in Wales needs Welsh speakers, and we know through the census that there's an increase in number of young people with Welsh language skills across Wales. And what we've identified is the need for a skills-based employment programme in Welsh. The census data that we used to develop the apprenticeship programme through the Welsh language was an essential source of information, and without this information we would have been able to develop what is now a very successful apprenticeship Welsh language programme. I believe it's important that everybody takes a responsibility to complete the census accurately, since it's a vital part of the jigsaw for organisations such as the Urdd to get a clearer picture of the geographical distribution of the language amongst children and young people in Wales. Without this information, we can't plan ahead and develop a vision where there's a need for it to be.